Hey guys, so I'm back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about a new phone that has just released on Boost Mobile and should be getting it pretty soon here in this studio. So kind of hyped up about that to kind of, show you guys this phone, unbox it, and maybe review it, do some gaming reviews and stuff like that. So that's very exciting. So this is a good time to, I think, talk to you guys about our supporter. Honey is a free web browser extension that finds you the best promo codes and different discounts and coupons on popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Cricket, Metro, Metro PCS, well, Metro by T-Mobile now, I guess, Walmart, Amazon, many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/organic. Will be in the description below. Use that link. It will help the channel out. And actually, Boost Mobile does give you a 1% to 3% cash back when you activate this cashback offer through Honey when you're shopping through Boost Mobile. So pretty cool, guys. Get some money back. So pretty cool. So here is a new phone that we're talking about, the Motorola Moto G Pure, guys. This phone retails for $129.99, but currently it's $59.99, or it's about a $70 savings. Let me actually go ahead and zoom this in. I don't know why it was so zoomed out, but technology. Yeah, and also got a new computer, guys, so I'm kind of checking the settings out. So hopefully the mic's not too loud. I have to readjust the settings and stuff, but hopefully everything comes out good. So like I said, $70 savings currently right now. It says meet Moto G Pure and get more of what you love. An ultra wide view of your favorite movies, games, and video chats on a 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display, plus up to 2 days of battery life to keep the fun going all weekend long. And there's more dual camera system, octa-core processor, water repellent design, so not water resistant but water repellent. With Moto G Pure, more comes standard. Of course, it is compatible with the expanded network. That's T-Mobile's network, so just check coverage in your area. Quick things with this is a 6.5-inch display. It's a 13 megapixel, of course, going to be main camera. 46 hours of talk time is pretty impressive. 32 gigs of internal storage and Android 11. Let's go ahead and check this phone out real quick, how it looks. So teardrop notch right there. Does look pretty basic. I do like the back of it. It almost looks like there's a case, but maybe the camera maybe protrudes a little bit. AI dual camera, does have the dual camera system, and that's the flash down there. Maybe that's fingerprint sensor, just the logo, might be just the logo. So like I said, it looks like it's two-tone. It's pretty cool. Looks like almost a case on top of it, but like I said, I think that's just the backing of it. On the right, you will have your volume up, volume down, and power button. And on the left side, you will have your SIM tray. So overall, pretty cool. Let's see the key features that Boost Mobile wants to kind of show you. Widescreen for the win. It says bring your favorite movies, shows, websites, and games to life with ultra widescreen. 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display features a 20:9 aspect ratio with 81% screen to body ratio. That's a lot of screen, guys. So if you like to watch, like I said, movies, videos, or even play games, it's going to be perfect. 2-day battery, of course, this thing has 4,000 milliamp battery, guys. That's up to 46 hours of talk time. Remember, not use gaming or anything like that. It's basically talking. Of course, the cameras, it's saying that it basically has real good, does have portrait and blur effects. So a lot of people like the whole blur bokeh effect. 13 megapixel camera with face detection, autofocus. Oh, wow. PDAF, capture your subject in the blink of an eye so you never miss once in a lifetime moments. It's pretty cool. It's basically saying it has a really good camera. Let's look at the key specs. Like I said, 4,000 milliamp battery, guys. Talk time 46 hours. It's non-removable. Don't try to take that battery out and you're going to mess up the phone. 3 gigs of RAM. Could be maybe 4, but for the price point, can't complain. 32 gigs of ROM. Supports a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. Processor is MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core, 4 times 2.0 gigahertz plus 4 by 1.5 gigahertz. Jesus, I don't know, man. I usually stick with Snapdragon, so MediaTek. It's usually more on the budget side of phones. I don't know. People like MediaTeks, but I would say the majority of people will definitely like Snapdragons like I do. So you have a 13 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth, and a 5 megapixel front. So not the best cameras, guys, but it's supposed to have laser autofocus, so we'll see how that is. Looks at 6.5 inch max vision HD plus display, and there's the dimensions. It is USB Type C, so no micro, which is nice, and it does have fingerprint reader, so I'm guessing that's what it was in the back. So overall, can't complain too much for $60, guys, or $59.99. It's not bad at all. Maybe it's a good starter phone for many, especially someone young or older that doesn't need all the specs. Like I said, currently it's $70 off. That can get you a month's worth of service on Boost Mobile. So why not? Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare sign off, and like I said, stay tuned for a lot more videos. Finally have some inventory of phones that I can review and stuff. So more coming your way, guys. Thank you.